What's up, Funnel Team? DK here, and today is Tuesday, my friends. It is Teachable Tuesday, and we have our recruiting webinar live tonight at 8 p.m. Eastern, and that is exactly what we're going to be talking about. Now, again, unfortunately, I can't be live with you in the group. That's going to be after October 13th. That's when I get the handcuffs taken off by Facebook and I can start going live again. So hopefully, maybe sooner. I've appealed. We'll see what happens, but hopefully I can be live with you guys sooner. If not, we're going to be doing videos like this, and the process is still going to be the same. You're going to be watching along, seeing what I'm doing with you here. And I'm actually going to be diving in, sharing my screen, and showing you guys exactly what we would be doing together as if we were live. And I would encourage you to literally take what I'm about to show you and go do that. Now, everything that we're going to talk about today is in preparation for tonight's recruiting webinar. Your mission, your goal, your income producing activities today should be to invite as many leads as you possibly can to tonight's webinar. So I'm going to give you several things that you can use to get out there and go take action right now. And like documents, videos, trainings, I'm actually going to demo a post for you that you could be using right now to get out there and go share. And I'm actually going to go do that. And you can clone and copy exactly what I'm doing. And above this video, above or below this video, depending on your device, I'm actually going to put the post that I'm going to share with you. So you're going to have everything you need in this video to go and, take action in getting people tonight. Now, really quick, I want to recap yesterday. So yesterday started the very first video of our new Monday through Friday training series. So meaning I'm literally going to be live with you Monday through Friday when I can actually go live, and we're going to be doing trainings every single day. So we're going to be taking what we did in the past and literally turning the dial up to 10. So live trainings Monday through Friday. I'll leave the schedule right here. Hopefully you guys can see that. And again, I'm going to post this in the Facebook group so you guys can see it. But every single day, there's going to be a different theme, different topic. We're going to have special guests coming on, all of that sort of thing. But it's going to be great and be live with you every single day and get you out there and doing all of the income producing activities. And that's really what it's going to be focused on, literally IPA centric there, if you will. Every single day, we're going to be talking about specific income producing activities that you could be doing. And a lot of the days, I'm going to be doing them live with you so you can actually see it, understand it, have a visual for what it looks like, and you can turn around and go do it yourself. So there's a schedule. Now, what I want to do, I want to share my screen. I want to show you guys a post that I'm going to use on my own personal timeline for tonight. Okay. And I'm going to go do that. I'm going to demo it live. You guys can grab the copy or grab the words. Copy is just a fancy word for the words, right? In your advertising, in your marketing. So you can grab the copy right here above or below this post in the description for this post, and you can grab that and use it on your own personal timeline on Facebook. And I'm just going to show you a couple things that will help you guys for tonight. So let's share my screen. Let's dive in. So the first thing that I want to reference for you, and again, this is in the post description above or below this video. This is the webinar that we did, the training that we did about a month or so ago. It teaches and trains you and shows you kind of like what I'm doing with you here today, but it shows you how to get people, how to get butts in seats to these webinars. And there's some really, really great information that you need to know that is not only in this training video, but also in the document related to this video. And that document is right here. So if you need help inviting people to webinars, if you need help getting them on the webinar after you invited them, if you need help, communicating with them after they watch the webinar, all of that information is in this document. This document is also linked right here in this post on the video that you are watching right now. Okay. Also, if you're watching the replay, we have a playlist, a replay playlist that you can go to. That's in your app. I'm going to link all of that up. You'll be able to go through and watch this and have all of these links that I'm sharing with you in the description down below the video on the replay. Okay. So this is a great document that you can use. Now, I want to mention really quick, some of these links that are in here, we no longer use these. So I just want to reference that. If those links happen to get referenced in this training here, just ignore it because that's not the links that we're using right now. The links that we're using right now to get people to our webinars is tftwebinars.com. Again, that is tftwebinars.com. When you use that link, this is the actual registration page for our Tuesday webinars. So please make a mental note. Okay. Now, I would recommend, if you're not getting a lot of leads to the webinars, then I would go watch this video. I would reference this document, have that there. Now, what I want to do is I want to share with you a post that I use just about every single week to get butts and seats to get people on the live webinars. Okay. Is this post right here? I'm going to come over to my profile, and all I'm literally going to do right here is I'm going to copy this. Okay. I'm going to copy this and I'm just going to repurpose this entire post. And as you can see right here, I think I did this one, last week, 103 comments. So lots and lots and lots of engagement, lots of comments. So what I would encourage you to do is literally use this same exact post. So I'm just going to go over here to Facebook. I'm going to open this up and I'm going to make sure this is public. Okay. You always want to make sure it's public versus just posting to friends. And again, I'm going to leave this copy. Okay. I'm going to leave this copy, these words and phrases in the post description here, so you could use it for yourself. Okay. Now, just want to make sure that this is going to have the background on it. So give me 1 second here. Okay, so I very quickly realized that trying to do what I wanted to do on my MacBook wasn't working, so I have to do this on my phone, which is totally okay. And honestly, like when you're posting on Facebook, you have more options on your phone, which I kind of like. So I took the copy, the words that are in the link description or post description right here in this post, the same thing that I just shared with you, copying it from a previous post that I did, and I put it on my phone so you can kind of see it right there. And the only thing that I did is I literally changed some of the wording around. I'm trying to get that so you can see it. But mainly I wanted the black background. And when I used my MacBook, I couldn't get it on the black background. So I'm literally going to post this right now. Now, once I post this, I'm going to show you a little trick that I do to get more people to see it. And it's really simple. It's really easy. Anybody could do this. But so I'm going to post this here on my timeline. I'm going to do that little trick, which is pretty simple. And then I'm going to share my screen again, and I'm going to show you what that is. So the post basically just says, roll call, teaching live tonight, how to earn $150 a day with proof from your phone, all in your schedule, no ebooks, courses, or coaching programs to buy, want access. And again, I just showed you that on my actual profile. You can see the description, the copy right here in this post. Okay, so I'm going to post that. Okay, make that live. Okay, boom. And wait for that to post. And then boom, that is now posted. And then, okay, I'm going to do two specific things. And okay, let me just wait for this. Drop a comment here. Okay, so you can see right there, I just posted this. We're now back on my MacBook here. I got my screen shared so you can see exactly what I just did. So what I would do if I were you guys, I would literally grab the post that I have here, the demo post that I have here, right here on this post that you guys are watching right now in our Facebook group. Go share this to your timeline, okay? Let's get out there. Let's get as many leads to tonight's webinar as possible. What you're going to want to do is change up some of the phrasing, change up some of the words. So it's not, everyone isn't posting the exact same thing. You want to make it a little bit more unique to you versus carbon copy of exactly what I'm doing. Now, I know some of you aren't going to listen. You're just going to literally go do the same exact thing. That's fine. But what you need to be doing is tweaking it, bending it, shaping it a little bit. You know what I mean? So as an example, like where it says roll call and I have an alarm clock, like change the emoji, change the dollar amount where it says $150 a day. You could do $75 a day, $100 a day, $500 a day, whatever it is. The dollar amounts are relevant, but just bend it, shape it, tweak it, make it your own. If you wanted to put more emojis in here where it says like, I got the big red X, right? No, X, no ebooks. You could put X, no courses, X coaching to buy. Just tweak it, bend it, shape it, make it a little bit more unique. I have a black background, maybe do a red background or a purple background or a green background or whatever it is. Like just make it a little bit different. So we're all doing something similar, but it's not, we don't have 100 people that are carbon copy doing the same exact thing. Okay. That's where Facebook is going to recognize that in the algorithm pretty quickly, and they're going to suppress and push those posts down. And if everyone's doing the same exact thing, so that's why you want to mix it up. It's just like email marketing. If you were to copy and use somebody else's email, and there were 1,000 people that copy and pasted that same exact email, pretty soon the IPs, Google, email inboxes would all kind of pick up on that, and eventually that stuff goes to spam. It's the same way here on social media. So you want to do something similar, but not the same exact thing. Okay. Now, little trick here that I like to do, and I learned this from Lisa T, because she's pretty stellar at what she does here on the Book of the Face. And first thing I do, as soon as I posted, I liked it. Okay. So you add a like to it. You get a little pop of engagement there on your post, right? The second thing that I did is I put a highlight down in the comments, and you all have the access to do this. Okay. So you put the @ symbol and then you put highlight. So as a matter of fact, if I was going to do this here, I can literally hit the @ symbol, and then I already did this, so I don't know if it's going to do it here. Yeah, so I already used it. Okay, see right here where it says highlight, some friends might receive notifications. Okay, so that's specifically what you're looking for. And you can put highlight, the @ symbol, and then type out the word highlight. And you can put highlight in the comments. And that's what you're looking for right here. This little Facebook highlight right here that has the people in there. What that's going to do is that's going to notify people that are either, followers or on your friends list. That's going to notify them that you just posted something and they should come check it out. A lot of them will actually get a notification in their actual notification, so that way they can go to your post and they can check out what you just did. So if you're not utilizing this little trick, I only do this about 2 to 3 times a week. And I would strongly recommend that you do not do this every single post, because it's not going to work. Because I think Facebook only limits you to like 3 of these a week. I've actually seen sometimes when you pull up the highlight, it'll say right here where it says some friends might receive notifications, it will say, cannot use this more than 3 times a week or something like that. I've seen that before. Okay. So just be mindful of that. You can't use it every single post. Okay. I would only use it the times when you really want to draw attention to your post. Okay. So there you go. That's what I would definitely do. I would do that, get that post out there, do that now, like literally go do that right now. Like don't wait, don't think about it. Take the copy, take the words that are right here on this post, the ones I just showed you, grab it and go post it right now. Bend it, shape it, tweak it, make it a little bit different than what I did. So the verbiage is different. Maybe the background's different. Maybe the dollar amount's different. Add some different emojis in there, whatever. Make it a little bit different. Make it unique to you. Okay. But go do that right now. That's super critical. And that's the whole point of these training series, this Monday through Friday training series, is to go do the work. Like, don't think about it. Don't be like, well, I don't know who's going to see it. It's probably not going to work. Like, no, just go do it. Action cures fear, my friend. Get off your butt, go do it, and see what happens. That's it. And then you learn from that. And then tomorrow you do it better. It's later on today, you do it better. But let's go invite as many people as we possibly can to tonight's webinars so we can close as many sales for you as possible. That's what it's all about. And again, if you need reference materials, if you need help, if you need, something to get the juices flowing, make sure that you watch the training video, which I put in the description of this post, reference the document, which is in the description of this post. You can go check it out. But that's it, my friends. Go do the thing. Go do the thing. And we're going to be doing this almost every single day here, where I literally give you guys something to go do. And this is going to help more people take action, more people go get results, get more butts in seats, so we can all close more sales and we can build and grow. And that's really what it all comes down to, my friends. So hope you guys got value from this. And that is it for today, my friend. We will see you guys live tonight, 8 p.m. Eastern. Remember, TFT webinars. Yes, it's cool for you to be there, but it's much better if you invite your leads. So if you have leads in the app, my goodness, you should be going through all of your leads. Again, go do the thing. Okay, go do the thing. If you have leads in your app right now and you are not inviting them to tonight's webinar, you are doing yourself a disservice, my friend. So go through, reference the document that I shared with you, that Google document. Okay, reference that on how to invite leads. The verbiage is literally right there. Okay, the verbiage is in that document. You could copy and paste that and start texting all of your leads that are in your app, whether you have 2 leads, 5 leads, 100 leads, whatever it is. Invite, 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 invite. Get good at inviting, my friends. Get good at inviting people to webinars. Get good at inviting people to watch the replay. Get good at inviting at getting people to see your content. Get good at inviting in your short form videos, following the 4-point formula. Get good at inviting. I'm telling you right now, if you practice that skill set, the art of inviting, my friends. And I mean, we give you the verbiage to use. We literally give you the phrases. You just have to go do it. That's it. Like, that's the only thing that's stopping you is what's right here. That's it. Nobody else. Like, I'm not stopping you. Like, your friends aren't stopping you. Like, your mom's not stopping. Like, no one's stopping you except what's right here. So just go do it. Action cures fear. That's it. See you guys live tonight.